Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this glueless wig install from Hermosa Hair on their water wave hair textures, so keep on watching. So this hair is from Hermosa Hair and it says quality first, affordable price, excellent service. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened this hair and I did wear it one day, but I didn't wear it like the glueless install. I wore it as like just hair on with a headband covering the front, just as a quick easy style because I needed to get out the house and I had no hair that would wear. So I already tested this hair out basically, and it's so good, so nice. So this is their water wave wig. This is their Invisi-String 360 skin HD lace supernatural hairline pre-bleached free part human hair wig for women, size 26, so 26 inches. Y'all, so nice. It's already pre-cut. I'm loving that these companies are doing the pre-cut, pre-bleach. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty water wave. And then this, on the construction of the cap, it just has it like this, and then you have the band, the adjustable band in the back. You have the clips on the sides, and these are the Invisi-String so that you can pull and make it tighter, so that it's a better fit glueless. And I really like that. It's super easy for a beginner that wants to wear their wigs but doesn't really know how to do installs. So of course included is like extra little tape. This thing, I have to see what this is. I think these are extra like the Invisi straps. I think that's what this is. Yeah, so it's extra little strap pulls in case those come off. And then also in here there's a lot of little hair stuff. So it does come with like a band for your edges. It comes with your wig caps. They even included some press on nails, which is crazy, but very cool. Eyelashes as well, and then like the little brushes. I thought that was such a nice touch, so love that. So let's go ahead and install. My hair is just in these two braids underneath my hair. I did use my Lavish Curls hair growth oil and my Mango Moisture hair growth butter just to do two braids and make sure that my hair is healthy underneath and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a wig cap on. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. And these are invisible HD wig caps. Okay, so these little blue parts, I'm assuming these are so that it sticks on you better. Removable and then sticky, so I guess that's how they're doing it now, so that it stays on better. And I'm actually gonna take these and already tighten them, so I'm just gonna take it and pull. Okay, I already pulled both sides. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know.
Okay, so I'm just doing the middle part.
Fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm the Houston. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Just think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Looking when I know you tell me how. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Looking when I know you tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. Yeah, just wanna know what you're loving me, Lord. Let me up, don't let me go. Yeah, you know I wanna be around. You tugging more and with my heart. Didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Looking when I know you tell me now. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down. Hurt me, yeah. Don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from